dead.
Oh, fuck.
This is an honor. Let's go, Jaden.
Yes. Oh, God. Yo.
Oh, God.
Yo, I'm
Jaden,
about
I'm
to
pooping
semen.
myself right
I'm
now.
not even true.
Discord code.
Oh, shit.
Jaden, I'm kind of scared.
Yo, I'm actually ending.
This is recent, too. Let's just...
Oh, shit. We're about to get... Dude, we're about to cream out of our minds. I'm gonna semen!
I'm scared, Jaden.
I'm gonna come.
Jaden, I'm scared.
I'm literally about to
Game
come.
on.
Jaden, we're the first...
We're
probably
literally the first
people
ones to
who
play
he-
this.
Maybe.
Oh, hell no. Oh,
Jaden, I'm scared. Grab the flashlight, idiot.
What do you think I'm doing, idiot?
My hands are shaking. My hands
Okay,
are shaking.
no.
I don't like... I got goosebumps.
No, I don't like this.
I got goosebumps.
Dude. I'm
scared. What was that?
I barely even know this game, by the way.
Same.
Rinkity ding ding. There's an
I don't know what to
upstairs. What the
expect.
fuck?
Go,
Louis,
go.
I can't. Oh,
Jaden?
Louis, where are you? Louis? Where'd he go? Don't, Louis, don't do that shit.
You
Okay,
scared me.
Louis,
I found a key.
I'm not gonna lie. The monster doesn't look that scary, but maybe
It
I
doesn't
can.
look that scary.
But, oh my god, this is freaky. Dude, this is the biggest map I've ever played in. How? Oh my god, it's a bathroom. We can hide in it. Yo, why is this so black? Pitch blackness. I don't know where you... Louis?
Yeah?
Sorry, I can't turn.
Yeah?
What the fuck?
What is this? I feel like at any
Is this the
moment
sugar
you just
tunnel?
touch us.
It's the sugar tunnel, I think. There's the only thing I remember out of this game is that there was a sugar tunnel, and if you go in it, he chases you. And now I'm scared.
We're out of it.
What the fuck?
Oh.
Shit. That actually looks really good. What the hell?
Okay, I'm not gonna lie.
I don't want to
say
say
was like
that was really good. I'm not gonna say if it's like the character looks bad because I know it's just like being made. But by the looks of the skeleton, I'm pretty sure it's just like a quick.
I think it's a
version.
temporary one.
Yeah, it's a temporary
But
one.
they're done with most of it. I think it's just the design.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, but like the nun was good. The nun's like design was really good, but this one are you guys is the what's it called? Is the Power Drill Man like fully designed?
Are you guys on Quest 2?
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
Yeah, we're on Quest 2.
Alright. Quest 2, the graphics, sometimes they get worse, but you have to select all of it.
With my nun build, it looks bad at some points.
How do you visuals?
It's just Quest 2.
Yeah, it's just the Quest 2.
No, it's not in visuals. It's literally just Quest
it's
2.
literally just the Quest 2 because Quest 2 isn't that like more adaptive.
Well, it's like this game is really good. I like it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I about like screamed like 2 times. This is really
This
good.
game is really well developed. I really... Is this your, like... Your company name? Or your, like, designer name?
Wow.
It's
Legion
like...
of Abyss.
Legion
stands
of
for.
Abyss. Look at that. 313.6. Look, like, I remember when that game was still in 16.
I remember when I posted the video of Nun Massacre, I got like 400 something views.
I got like 500.
Nice.
But yeah, no, man, you need to keep making these because, like, it's really good.
I got super
When is
excited
this,
when
like,
you
gonna
invited
fully
me.
come out?
Cause like my favorite
It's
games
gonna
are
come
Puppet
out
Combo.
on Wednesday.
Oh,
When's...
that's nice. That's pretty. You guys made this pretty quickly, huh?
Kind of. I mean, we were taking really, really long breaks.
Yeah, I get that.
He's really good at making character designs, by the way. Like, really good.
I made the Nun.
You should, Jaden, you should show him the nun character design.
I could, but he might be
Maybe
busy.
he'll
Nah,
oh yeah.
I'm free right now.
Okay,
You wanna show him?
sure. We're gonna have to go into
wait,
like a new one though.
Oh, that's the map I'm grabbing. Oh, and it starts. Okay.
I don't want to scream in front of him, but I'm gonna scream in front of him.
Yeah.
I like
This is normal,
rarely know about
it's
this
not
game.
hard or extreme.
Okay.
The brightness
two
scares
endings.
me.
One with keys and the sugar tunnel.
Oh, I was literally talking about that. I know there was a sugar tunnel in the actual game.
Key. Yeah, no, but
And then you like go into the tunnel and he like comes in there with you and it's scary.
The keys are random spawned.
Oh, of course they are.
right here.
That's a sewing
that's the red
machine.
That was the. I grabbed the golden key there.
Bro, you can barely see. I'm scared. I might run into
That
him.
quest 2, the lighting is kinda worse.
Okay, I'm scared. I heard an ominous
Flashlights aren't
noise.
even round.
I heard an ominous noise.
You could turn on and off the flashlights.
Yeah, he above me. That scared me.
Don't want to.
Yeah, no. His.
Goofy. I don't know where he is.
I can't see anything.
Oh, he's through the wall. He saw me through the wall. That other Nun Massacre game did this. Oh my god. That scared me. Louis.
I'm currently downstairs.
Okay. I'm currently in the
unable to
hallway
see.
being like frightened out of my life.
I got all 3 keys.
Nice.
So we could get
Jeez.
the key ending
I
or
can't see. Jesus.
Well, I know the sugar
sugar
tunnel
tunnel,
isn't good, so
yeah, he automatically tracks you if you go in there.
yeah, I know. I hate that. That's from the actual game, and that's why I'm afraid of that.
I'm gonna buy the actual.
Louis,
game.
hold up. Let me come with you. I'm scared.
Yeah, I'm also scared. Also very spooky.
Boom. They call me Mr. Bombastic Valentine. Dude, when I wanted to make my own Nun Massacre game, I was wondering how you made like the AI go upstairs. Because I know there's like stairs in the Nun Massacre.
Ooh, whoa.
Oh, shoot. Oh, this is like a...
Alright,
Dude.
let's get the ending.
These ominous noises are spooping me out, bro. I'm not even gonna joke. Let's win this game.
He's really blocky. Whoa.
He's circly for me.
Jesus.
Like, he's round.
He's
Game
That's
over.
quest.
Let's go! sugar tunnel.
See how good he is?
Kind of blocky because I kind of based it off the actual character model design.
You could try the sphere blend as well.
Yeah.
Wait, how do you do that?
I can show you some examples.
Kind of just spear it together.
I'm gonna take you to one of my oldest building rooms.
Oh, that's really cool.
Oh.
This is an animation of the jaw. Hey, I'm not gay.
So it's gonna be.
You're gay. Aw.
Oh, you're gay.
I'm
Is
not
that I
gay.
wasn't gay?
No, it says I'm not gay.
Oh.
But how? Wait, what?
So basically, you mold it together with spears.
Yeah.
Oh. Did you do that with the man? The Power Drill man?
No, that's a old model. Take more of a delayed. So basically, you could just you kind of mold it. All right, let me get on this side.
Yeah.
And you just connect it even more to form a shape.
I just wanted to make a quick body. And I kind of based it off the like body build of the actual nun from the game.
God, these are really good though. Like,
Yeah.
It's gonna be for one of my quest maps.
Mm. His leg is really good.
his feet are really nice too.
I'm gonna have to redo him.
Why? What's wrong with him? He looks just fine.
I think it's the
There's
abs.
just something's off, like the feet are off a little bit,
Oh yeah, the
and
toes.
the hand.
He doesn't have feet.
I know
this
this
one.
one is like that one. That one.
Oh, you mean this one?
Mm.
No, I think the feet are just fine.
Yeah, I think it's that the feet should be like a little bit like in, you know how they're curved, and then they're just like kind of round there. That's why.
Yeah,
It's a nice body.
I have problems with that too. It's annoying.
feet are like the hardest thing to model, along
Yeah,
with
'cause
hands.
then-
That's my opinion.
Yeah, because the feet, you gotta make them in a sort of the way of how they move and work.
God dang. Oh my God,
Kinda
there's so
like
many little...
You kind of enjoying the toes too much.
No.
Lewis.
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. There's so many circles in there.
Those are just molded together.
I know, but those so many circles.
Mm.